Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. While automation has introduced many conveniences to the deck department, the manual mooring mode remains the most fundamental and reliable way to control a vessel during the critical stages of arrival and departure because it places total control in the hands of the operator. In manual mode, the winch does not react to sensors or preset tension levels. Instead, it responds directly to the physical input of the deckhand or officer at the control stand. This direct connection is essential during the initial berthing phase when lines must be sent to the shore and tensioned with precision to pull the ship into its final position. Operating in manual mode requires a high degree of situational awareness and an understanding of the immense forces at play. The operator must use the control lever to heave in or veer out the line while constantly watching the movement of the ship and the strain on the rope. One of the greatest advantages of manual mode is the ability to feel how the winch is responding to the load, which provides immediate feedback that an automated system might miss. For example, if a line becomes snagged or a fender is being crushed, the operator can stop the winch instantly to prevent damage. In this mode, the winch brake is usually disengaged while the motor is running, and the operator relies on the hydraulic or electric power of the winch to hold the tension. Once the ship is in position and the lines are properly adjusted, the manual brake is applied and the winch power is turned off. This creates a static mooring arrangement where the lines are held firmly by the mechanical grip of the brake band. Unlike auto tensioning, manual mode ensures that the ship will not move unexpectedly, which is a strict requirement at many high safety terminals, especially during the transfer of hazardous cargo. However, the challenge of manual mooring is that it requires constant human monitoring as the tide or the ship's draft changes. If the lines are not manually adjusted as the ship sinks lower into the water during loading, they can become dangerously tight, leading to a risk of the line snapping. Conversely, as the ship rises during discharge, the lines can become too slack, allowing the vessel to drift away from the pier. Professional seamanship in manual mode involves a cycle of regular rounds where the deck crew checks the tension of every line and makes the necessary adjustments to keep the ship secure. This hands-on approach fosters a deeper connection between the crew and the environment, ensuring that they are always aware of the changing conditions of the wind and current. Manual mooring is a skill that combines technical knowledge with intuition, and it remains the gold standard for safety in the maritime industry. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.